Ready to unlock a world of apps, music, and more right on your iPhone. Let's dive into how to redeem your Apple gift card, step by simple step. First, locate the App Store icon on your home screen. It's the blue icon with the white made of 3 lines. Tap it to open the App Store. Now, look in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon. It's either a picture or your initials. Tap on it. On your account page, scroll down a bit until you see the option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap on that. You'll now see 2 options. You can either use your iPhone's camera to scan the gift card or enter the code manually. If you choose use camera, point your camera at the gift card so that the code is within the frame. The App Store should automatically recognize it. If you prefer to enter the code manually, tap Enter Code manually and type in the code exactly as it appears on your card, paying close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Once you've entered the code, tap the Redeem button in the upper right corner. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that the funds have been added to your Apple account balance. You're all set to start enjoying your favorite apps, games, music, and more. Now go enjoy endless entertainment at the tip of your fingers using your new gift card.